Welcome to this detailed guide on learning English easily. Today, I am here to help you enhance your English skills step by step. English is a global language spoken by millions of people. Being able to speak English fluently allows you to communicate with others, expand your social circle, find better career opportunities, and travel with ease. Learning a new language requires dedication and practice, but with the right techniques, you can improve effectively. Let's explore some practical ways to master English. Train your mind to think in English. One of the most effective ways to improve your English skills is by thinking in English. Many learners first translate words from their native language before speaking, which slows down their fluency. Instead, start thinking directly in English. Here are some exercises to help you. Name objects around you. Look at different things in your environment and say their names in English. Describe your actions. While performing daily activities, try describing them in English in your mind. Plan in English. Write your daily tasks and to-do lists in English. Engage in internal dialogues. Imagine conversations in English and mentally respond as if you were speaking to someone. By thinking in English, you will be able to express yourself more naturally. Speak English as often as possible. Speaking regularly is crucial to language improvement. Many learners hesitate due to fear of making mistakes, but errors are a natural part of learning. Here's how to practice speaking every day. Talk to yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and practice introducing yourself or discussing your day. Record your voice. Use your phone to record short messages and listen to your pronunciation. Find speaking partners. Engage in conversations with friends, family, or online language exchange partners. Use language learning apps with speech recognition. These apps can help you improve pronunciation. Participate in English-speaking events. Attend local or online events to engage in discussions. Sing English songs. This helps with pronunciation and rhythm. Practice real-life scenarios. Simulate conversations such as ordering food or asking for directions. The more you practice speaking, the more confident and fluent you will become. Improve your listening skills. Listening plays a vital role in language learning. It helps you understand pronunciation, tone, and natural speech patterns. Try incorporating English listening into your daily routine with these activities. Watch movies and TV shows in English. Use subtitles to aid comprehension and try repeating key phrases. Listen to podcasts and audiobooks. Choose interesting topics to make learning enjoyable. Tune in to English radio stations. Listening to different accents improves your understanding. Practice shadowing. Repeat sentences immediately after hearing them to mimic native pronunciation. Use online listening exercises. Many websites offer free listening quizzes. Familiarize yourself with different English accents. Exposure to various accents helps improve comprehension. Regular listening practice will enhance your ability to understand spoken English effortlessly. Read in English daily. Reading expands your vocabulary and helps you understand sentence structures. Select reading materials that match your proficiency level. Here are some useful reading strategies. Begin with simple books. Children's books have easy vocabulary and illustrations to aid comprehension. Read news articles. Websites such as BBC and CNN provide accessible articles for learners. Use graded readers. These books are specially designed for language learners. Read aloud. Practicing aloud helps improve pronunciation and fluency. Highlight unfamiliar words. Look up meanings and note them in a vocabulary journal. Summarize readings. Write a short summary in your own words to test your understanding. Join book clubs. Discuss books with fellow English learners for an interactive experience. Reading regularly will improve both your vocabulary and comprehension skills. Develop a daily writing habit. Writing allows you to organize your thoughts and refine your grammar skills. Here are some practical ways to practice writing in English. Maintain a diary. Write about your daily experiences, thoughts, and plans. Compose emails and letters. Write messages to friends or language exchange partners. Engage on social media in English. Post comments or share thoughts in English. Describe pictures. Observe a picture and write a short story based on it. Join writing communities. Websites like Lang8 allow native speakers to correct your writing. Experiment with different writing formats. Try essays, articles, or creative storytelling. Regular writing practice will enhance your ability to express yourself clearly in English. Expand your vocabulary. A strong vocabulary enables you to communicate effectively. Here's how to build your word bank. Use flashcards. Write new words on one side and their meanings on the other. Learn a few new words daily. Incorporate them into sentences. Group words into categories. Learn words related to specific topics such as travel, food, and work. Use new words in writing and conversation. This reinforces memory. Play word games. Crossword puzzles and vocabulary apps can make learning fun. Create word associations. Connect new words with images to improve recall. A broad vocabulary will make it easier to express yourself in different situations. Utilize English learning apps. Technology can enhance language learning. Here are some useful apps to support your progress. Duolingo, a fun app for learning vocabulary and grammar. BBC Learning English, provides videos and language exercises. Anki, helps with vocabulary memorization. HelloTalk, connects you with native English speakers for conversations. Memrise, uses engaging methods to teach new words. Quizlet, allows you to create custom vocabulary lists. Using apps daily can reinforce your learning experience. Enroll in an English class. Taking an English course can provide structured learning and guidance. Consider these options. Join an in-person or online English course. Participate in language exchange programs. Attend workshops and seminars for additional practice. A classroom setting provides interactive learning and expert feedback. Stay motivated and make learning fun. Learning a language should be an enjoyable experience. Here's how to stay motivated. Set achievable goals. Aim to learn a set number of words or complete a book in English. Reward yourself. Celebrate small achievements. Find a study buddy. Learning with a partner makes it more enjoyable. Immerse yourself in English daily. Incorporate the language into your routine. Join an online English-speaking community. Connect with fellow learners and practice together. A positive attitude will make your language learning journey more enjoyable and effective. Becoming fluent in English requires dedication, consistency, and practice. Focus on speaking, listening, reading, and writing every day. The more you expose yourself to English, the better you will become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every step you take brings you closer to fluency. With perseverance and the right strategies, you can achieve English mastery. Keep learning, stay motivated, and enjoy the process.